How to add images on Teespring. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add images on Teespring. How to do this is by logging in into your Teespring account. Then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page automatically. Then on this home page, by the left side of the screen, you will see the option create product. Okay, just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the Spring Launchers page where you'll be able to create desired products of your choice. So just wait for it to load. Once that's loaded, you'll see all of your products here. Is it apparel? Is it digital, home and decor, accessories, etc. So just select the one that falls into your category. Okay. Then once you've selected the product, you wait for it to load, and then you'll be directed to a page where you see quite a number of products. All right, just wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, you'll see the pencil icon next to the product. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to a page where you are to edit the product the way you want by selecting a color that you want for the product, text, and then add image. Okay, just click on add image. Just click on add image, you'll be directed to your device files. All right, so just select the image you want to add. Is it this or both of them? Just select the images you want and then click on open. Then once you click on open, the images will be uploaded and added automatically to the products. So this is how you can add images. So once you're done with this and the price, you've edited the price, advanced settings, just click on continue. Just click on continue. You'll be directed on that page where you have to complete the creation of the products. So this is how you can add images on Teespring. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.